G'day and welcome. This incredibly easy to make item is salty, sweet, and bloody delicious. I use it in biscuits, on desserts, or as a quick munch when you just crave sweetness. Into a pot, melt butter and whisk in the sugar. Keep whisking until well combined. Continue to stir until the mix reaches approximately 148 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is approximately 8 to 10 minutes. Pour the mix onto a pre-lined tray, spread it out, and allow to cool naturally. Once hardened, this breaks very easily into pieces. Use immediately or store in an airtight container.